In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Euro Truck Simulator 2 language. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the language and region settings for Euro Truck Simulator 2 and how to change it. This will be primarily done inside of the game. There are some methods that allow you to do them outside, but I recommend just going over to the game options and in here, switch over to the gameplay tab. Now, while you are inside of the gameplay tab, scroll all the way down until you find regional settings. So as you can see, it is not down at the bottom, it is a little bit up. And once you find regional settings, the two main options will be displayed here. So you have language and then region presets. So first, if you click on language, you will see a bunch of language options that are available for Euro Truck Simulator 2. All that you have to do here is choose any of the language options available and immediately everything changes. So as you can see, upon clicking on Spanish, everything was updated. You don't have to restart the game, you don't have to spend time downloading the language pack, everything will change on the fly, and you can do it inside of the game. It is simple to set up, and if you are ever lost, just look for this category here on the gameplay settings. Again, you can change the region as well, so depending on which region you select, everything here will be adjusted for you. So for example, if you choose United Kingdom, the currency will change to GBP, and other options will also update, or you can manage all of these individually. So you can click on any of these to change them, but the main focus of this video, of course, is the language. So as long as you change the language and the regional settings, you will be good to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on any language available inside. Unlike other Steam games, you don't have to right-click it within your library, go into the properties, and change the language from there. You do it on the in-game settings and everything updates instantly. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Euro Truck Simulator 2 language. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.